This is our new bolt action that I can show you. So, here's the gun that I made. It has actual pretty high accuracy. This is actually a bomb, so please we don't want to activate that thing. So for the accuracy test, let's build it way far from our creating and test maps. So the connect shoot him. Yes, that gun was actually that gun is deadly as fuck. So when I create account, I'm gonna create this for 100 now coins. Bye.